Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel for another Christmas Decorate with me. In today's video we are going to be decorating my living room. This is one of my favorite areas in my house, and this year I actually totally rearranged my living room and changed around where I usually put my Christmas tree. So to get started, we are going to start decorating my floating shelves in my living room. I did get these floating shelves from Hobby Lobby, so I will have them linked down below. They were very easy to install, and I think they are a great addition to my living room. I like them so much more than my previous floating shelves that I had. The floating shelves that I've added in my house has been some of my favorite things to decorate. You can just get so creative with it. As you can see, I change things up a lot. I try new things, and if I don't like them, I try something else until I do. I absolutely love the way that they turned out. I didn't want to go too busy. I wanted to keep it pretty simple, and I really love the way that it looks. I do have two candle holders on the top and the bottom, and I just put them on opposite sides. I will have as much as I can linked down below for you, so if you do see anything you like, make sure to check down below. I also added this Christmas tree farm sign that I got from Hobby Lobby that I thought looked good down there. Now moving over to my TV stand, I'm going to take off the old fall decorations that I had, and I'm going to hang up my stockings. I just got these new white stockings from Hobby Lobby this year, and these gray ones I actually had from a previous year. So I'm just using command hooks, and I'm hanging those on my TV stand since I unfortunately do not have a mantle. And then I'm just going to be putting some garland over that. I like to keep the garland here pretty simple because I don't have a lot of space to work with. I can't remember exactly where I got this garland from, but I believe it was either from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. For the bottom of my TV stand, I still can't figure out what to do with this area. I did end up going with a book stack down there. I originally put this little sleigh and a gnome inside. I wanted to keep it simple just because I have my stockings there. I am also going to put some new Christmas decor on my blanket ladder. I'm putting this home pillow from the Target Bullseye Playground area and a cute little gnome. Again, keeping it very simple. This is the book stack that I was telling you about. I really love the way that it looks. I just want to add something to the sides. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments down below.
Still I wish you the merriest Christmas.
Now moving over to my coffee table, I am just going to take all of the fall decor off of it, and then we are going to clean up my living room a little bit. So as you can see, I did rearrange my living room. I actually took a seat out of my couch to make it smaller, and I put my Christmas tree right next to the front door next to my couch. It's a lot more functional in my opinion, so I'm happy that I went ahead with this setup. I'm taking my Chom Chom roller, which I have talked about so many times, and I'm just running that over my couch. It is such a lifesaver with having 3 dogs. Then I'm just going to move my coffee table off of my rug and start vacuuming. I feel like I have to do this every 2 days because it gets so bad between the flocking from the tree and all of the dogs' mess. This rug is from Target. I do enjoy it, but it does get really dirty, and unfortunately, that's just how it is when you have 3 doggies. I really want to invest in a ruggable rug so that I can go ahead and actually wash the rug every once in a while. If you do have one, let me know how you like it. I've been wanting one for quite some time. I'm also going through and I'm vacuuming my couch as well, again, to just get it as clean as I can. I feel like I could do this every day and it would still be dirty. I do not enjoy the color of my couch because you can see so much of the dog fur. I always take my Lysol spray as well and spray that over the couch just to give it a good smell and also to disinfect. And we are on to a new day because I stopped recording that day. I was decorating for over 8 hours and I needed a break. So we are back and we are finally going to decorate my couch area. I am taking this blanket that I got from Marshall's. I love it. I love the fringe detailing on it. I'm just putting that on the corner, and then I'm going to be putting my throw pillows that I got from Amazon. They are pillow covers, and I will have them linked down below. This other pillow that's in the middle is from Target, and it is honestly the softest pillow I have ever felt in my whole entire life. So if you have never seen them at Target, you need to go look next time you're there. They are absolutely heavenly. I will also link my pillows that are on the edge of my couch. Those are also pillow covers, and I've had them for a few months now, and I really like them. They're super comfortable. And then I just have some throw blankets on either side of my couch. Next, I'm going to change out the sign in the middle of my wreath. I'm just putting up this Mary sign that I picked up a couple years ago from the Target dollar spot section. I always like to change this sign out seasonally for the different holidays and seasons. I think it adds a lot to the wreath. Without it, it just looks a little plain in my opinion. Moving back over to my coffee table, I'm going to put down this buffalo check table runner. I got this from Hobby Lobby and it was 50% off. I believe all of their table runners are 50% off right now. And then I'm taking my lamb's ear garland and I'm putting that on top of it. These are really affordable at Hobby Lobby. They are only $9.99 and it can go with almost every single decor in season. I got these little Christmas presents from Hobby Lobby as well. I wanted to do something different for my coffee table this year, and I really like the way that it turned out. With the exception of the clear vase, I got everything from Hobby Lobby. The clear vase is from Kirkland's. I'm adding these picks to the clear vase to give this area some height. I talk about this so much, but you want to make sure when you are decorating around your house that you fill any empty spaces in and you also give areas different heights. I'm also adding this beaded garland that is my favorite to decorate with, whether it's tiered trays or wrapping it around a vase. It is so pretty and adds so much. I tried different ways to wrap it around, but I ended up just going back to the first way that I tried it. I think I can honestly say that my living room is my absolute favorite this year for Christmas time. It is so simple. I love the colors and the buffalo check. I am absolutely in love. It is definitely my favorite out of the 3 years that I've been living at my house.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. The leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. The leaves are so unchanging.
And now it is finally time to decorate my Christmas tree. This bad boy has been up since November 1st, but I am just now getting around to decorating it. I got all of my ornaments from Costco a couple years ago. They are all the unbreakable ornaments, which I need 100% with dogs and my cat, and honestly just running into it myself. I love the coloring of the ornaments as well. They're a lot of like the blush brown neutral tones, and they have some bigger ornaments as well that helps fill in the space. This is also the first year that I've gotten a tree topper. I have never had one before because I just don't really see the point. I think the tree looks good without it, but I did pick one up from Target. You guys will see here shortly, and I really like the way that it looks. I will have it linked down below for you guys along with my Christmas tree. I have had this tree for over 2 years now, and I absolutely love it. It's so easy to put up. All you have to do is put all the pieces together and it just automatically lights up, which I absolutely love.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging.
So that is going to conclude this Christmas decorate with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel down below and following me over on my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.
Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so